This is a 2009 Hummer H3. It has a 3.7-liter 5-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, automatic locking wheel hubs, a passenger side vanity mirror, OnStar, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 16,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Unique Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 330 Mast Road, Route 114 in Gulfston.